Roofing insurance claims after storm damage can seem like a total jungle, but knowing the real deal helps you avoid getting played. So, here's what you gotta know if you're thinking about filing a roof damage claim or working in roofing sales. First off, always document everything. Take tons of photos and videos of the damage right after the storm hits. Next, read your insurance policy carefully so you understand what's covered and what's not. Don't just trust what someone tells you. When you contact your insurance company, be clear and persistent but polite. Follow up regularly because they can drag their feet. If an adjuster comes out, make sure you're there to show them the damage up close. Don't just let them walk around alone. Don't sign anything without reading it thoroughly, especially contingency agreements that let companies coordinate with adjusters for you. It's smart to get a second opinion from a trusted roofer before agreeing to repairs, so you know the quote is fair and the work will be solid. Also, keep all your receipts and invoices once repairs start. That helps if there are any insurance questions later. Finally, don't rush into door-to-door sales pitches. Take your time and work with people who are upfront and have good reviews. One of the biggest mistakes people make around roofing storm damage claims is trusting every sales pitch without checking credentials. Some companies are just there to hustle and might push unnecessary claims. Fix this by researching companies online and asking for proof of licensing and insurance before signing anything. Another issue is ignoring the fine print in your insurance policy or the contract with the roofing company. Many get caught out by hidden fees or vague terms. Always read every word carefully or get someone you trust to help you understand it. The third common problem is not documenting enough damage or missing deadlines for filing claims, which can lead to denied coverage. To avoid this, snap detailed photos right away and call your insurer as soon as possible after the storm. BigHomeProjects.com is a super handy spot for homeowners who want to find trustworthy local contractors without the sketchy sales stuff. Plus, it's great for contractors looking to connect with serious clients who need real roofing work done.